a bag containing the clear. It's the canopy of the Batwing, and there are 3 pieces here, I believe. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's get to the box. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 large plastic bags containing the various sprues. Here we have the wings of the Batwing. More wings. The wings do have some details, as you can see. Grooves and lines. Here are more parts containing secondary wings, the body, and body. There doesn't appear to be any flash, and looks very well done. And that's it. There are no decals or decals with this model. Okay, yeah. And yeah, that's it. It's a pretty big model, as I said before. Very well made, in lines with Moebius other kits. In Japan, it retailed for 12,000 yen. Luckily, that translates to be about $100. Lucky I got I got a $20 discount, so I paid around $80 for this model. So there you go. A quick look at the Moebius's new Batwing. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.